dear students. 50 simple exam study tips for you. Listen all the tips and follow them. 1. Create a study schedule. Plan your study time to cover all topics. 2. Set specific goals. Define what you want to achieve in each session. 3. Break down material. Divide topics into manageable sections. 4. Use active recall. Test yourself on the material instead of just rereading. 5. Practice past papers. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. 6. Join study groups. Collaborate with peers for different perspectives. 7. Teach others. Explaining concepts to others reinforces your understanding. 8. Summarize notes. Write concise summaries of each topic. 9. Create flashcards. Use them for quick reviews of key terms and concepts. 10. Visual aids. Use diagrams, charts, and mind maps to visualize information. 11. Limit distractions. Find a quiet space and put away your phone. 12. Use Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. 13. Prioritize difficult topics. Focus on challenging subjects first. 14. Stay organized. Keep your study materials sorted and accessible. 15. Review regularly. Go over material periodically instead of cramming. 16. Practice self-testing. Quiz yourself regularly to reinforce learning. 17. Utilize online resources. Explore videos, articles, and quizzes for additional help. 18. Stay healthy. Eat nutritious meals and exercise regularly. 19. Get plenty of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to enhance memory and focus. 20. Use mnemonics. Create memory aids for difficult concepts. 21. Change study locations. Switch up your environment to improve concentration. 22. Incorporate different learning styles. Mix reading, writing, and hands-on activities. 23. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to maintain energy levels. 24. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice relaxation techniques to reduce stress. 25. Set a timer. Keep track of study sessions to maintain focus. 26. Group study sessions. Schedule regular meetups to discuss material. 27. Limit study time. Avoid marathon sessions. Shorter, focused study is more effective. 28. Review wrong answers. Analyze mistakes from practice tests to avoid them in the future. 29. Stay positive. Keep a growth mindset and believe in your abilities. 30. Connect ideas. Relate new information to what you already know. 31. Stay motivated. Reward yourself for meeting study goals. 32. Practice relaxation techniques. breathing exercises can help reduce anxiety. 33. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one subject at a time for better retention. 34. Use apps and tools. Leverage study apps for organization and practice. 35. Attend review sessions. Participate in any available review classes. 36. Limit caffeine. Too much can lead to jitters and anxiety. 37. Visualize success. Picture yourself doing well on the exam. 38. Schedule downtime. Balance study with leisure activities to prevent burnout. 39. Get feedback. Discuss difficult topics with teachers or peers. 40. Create a study playlist. Use music to enhance focus if it helps you concentrate. 41. Analyze exam structure. Understand the format and weight of each section. 42. Set realistic goals. Break study sessions into achievable tasks. 43. Practice relaxation techniques. Yoga or stretching can ease tension. 44. Use color coding. Highlight or organize notes by topic with different colors. 45. Attend study workshops. Look for workshops offered by your school. 46. Prepare physically. Dress comfortably for study sessions and the exam. 47. Reflect on past exams. Learn from previous experiences to improve. 48. Stay connected. Talk to classmates about study strategies. 49. Be consistent. Stick to your schedule as much as possible. 50. Stay informed. Keep up with any changes to exam formats or content. All the best to all. Thank you. Keep watching videos and learn easily.